Now let us dive into what are different scenarios. So broadly, there are four scenarios. One is the platform level project. Second one is data movement and integration. Third one, analytics, BI, decisioning. Fourth one is ML or AI enablement, which is MLOps friendly. Now coming to the first one, which is platform level project. So we have four different types. First one is the lakehouse platform, which follows the Mendelian architecture where there is the bronze, silver, and the gold. Second one is the streaming platform and the event backbone. Third one is the data mesh enablement. Fourth one is the self-service analytics workbench. Now coming to the second scenario, which is the data movement and integration pipelines. The first one is CDC, which is change data capture, replication and merge layer. Second one is the batch ingestion factory or the autoloader. Third one is the API or the webhook landing zone. Fourth one is the cross cloud copy or migration. Now coming to the third scenario, it is analytics or BI or decision making. Here, first one is the customer 360-degree or the golden records. Second one is the executive KPIs, lakehouse, which is key performance indicators. Third one is marketing attribution and funnels. And fourth one is time series forecasting through data mart. Now coming to the fourth scenario, which is ML or AI enablement, which is MLOps friendly. The first one is feature store, training, data hub. Second one is real-time scoring pipeline, and third one is RAG or GenAI data preparations. All these are the four scenarios and its subtypes where the data engineering projects are being implemented. Now, to support all those above four, we have to look at the governance, quality, security, cost, reliability, and observability. So these are the six pillars which we have to keep on tweaking now and then. So this is a endless cycle which continues. Now at last there is one key factor which we need to consider at the starting itself, which is a base for our implementation, is which domain this data engineering is being implemented for. It may be a retail domain. So if it is a retail domain, generally we have demand forecasting and inventory replacement. If it is a e-commerce, then there is the clickstream and personalization. If it is a finance service, then there is the fraud and risk. If it is manufacturing, then definitely there is the IoT, which for is being used for predictive maintenance. Then there is the health or the pharma, where we get the clinical data and we create a pipeline for it. Then there is the airlines, the logistics, where we have the flights or the shipment 360 degree of view.